Hello friends and all my dear students, welcome to my new series namely Asan English. So myself Kainat, your trainer, is going to continue with session number 2, topic daily useful sentences. Alright, so let's begin. Point 1 in Hindi says मैं पक गया हूँ. I repeat, मैं पक गया हूँ. Or we even say मैं बोर हो चुका हूँ. So at that moment you can say I am fed up. I repeat, I am fed up. Alright. Point 2. मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है. I am getting angry. I repeat, मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है. I am getting angry. Okay. Point 3. पक्का. Certainly. Point 4. पक्का. Sure. So now in this sentence, if you see in Hindi, sentences are same, but this you can say in two different ways. Alright, so please don't forget, if you want to say in Hindi pakka and in English the translation is there are two options. So either you can say certainly or you can say sure. Alright, next point number 5. Line पे बने रहे, stay on line. Again, लाइन पे बने रहे, point number 6, or you can say लाइन पे टिके रहे. So at that moment you can say hold the line. Okay, so if you see, meaning is same, there is no difference in the meaning, but the same sentence you have two options, either you can say stay on line or you can say hold the line. Okay, now point 7, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, nothing like that. ऐसा कुछ नहीं, nothing like that. Point 8, आखिरकार हो गया, finally it's done. आखिरकार हो गया, finally it's done. Okay. Point 9, बड़े अपमान की बात है, how disgraceful. I repeat, बड़े अपमान की बात है, how disgraceful. Okay. Point 10, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, come what may. चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, come what may. So sometimes you say चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, मैं अपना काम पूरा करता रहूँगा. Okay, so at that moment you can say come what may. Alright, next point 11, बड़े दुख की बात है, how sad. बड़े दुख की बात है, how sad. Alright, let me just scroll down, please hold. Next point 12, मैं समझ गया, I understood. मैं समझ गया, I understood. Alright, now point number 13, if you see, I have marked everything with pink color. So now what is the reason? It means these sentences are similar. Okay, so let's read first. जैसे आपकी मर्जी, जैसे जैसा आप चाहे. I repeat again, जैसे आपकी मर्जी, जैसा आप चाहे. In point number 13, in point number 14, 15 and 16, sentence is same. If you see, sentence is same, but the same sentence you can say in 4 different way. You can even say as you like, you can even say as you wish, you can even say as you want, or you can even say as you desire. Alright, so whenever you want to say जैसे आपकी मर्जी और जैसा आप चाहे, at that moment you can use any of this 4 option. Okay, clear? Now point number 17 again, if you see here, मेरी मर्जी से, खुशी से, that is point number 17. Again point number 18, मेरी मर्जी से, खुशी से. 19, मेरी मर्जी से, खुशी से. Again 20, मेरी मर्जी से, खुशी से. So at this moment you know the sentence is same, but the same sentence you can say in 4 different ways. Okay, so either you can say it is my pleasure, or you can say it's my desire, it's my will, or it's my wish. Alright, so my friends and dear students, please remember this one sentence you can say in 4 different ways. But can you notice here I have applied comma and here there is no comma. So don't forget, it doesn't make any difference. The shortcut of it is, if I say the shortcut of it is it's. Okay, so either you can write this is the full form and this is the short form. Alright, now let's continue with point number 21st. So in this point number 21st, I said that zid mat karo. Okay, zid mat karo, don't be stubborn. Okay, again the same sentence in point number 22, zid mat karo, don't insist. Okay, so whatever you say, zid mat karo, the line is same, but you have two options. Either you can say don't be stubborn, or you can say don't insist. Clear? Point number 21 and 22 clear. Now point number 23, tumse matlab, any concern to you. Point number 24, again the same sentence, tumse matlab, none of your business. Okay, so my friends and dear students, again don't forget the same sentence you can use in two different ways. Okay, but don't forget the meaning will not change. Sorry, don't forget the meaning will not change, but only the sentence will change. Okay, next point number 25, ghabrao mat, don't panic. Again point number 26 is similar to 25th, ghabrao mat, don't worry. Okay, so again the same sentence you can use in two different ways. Now point 27, musibat ko mat bulao, don't call trouble. Again, musibat ko mat bulao, don't ask for trouble. Okay, so same sentence you can use in two different ways. Next point number 29, apni nazare niche rakho, keep your eyes down. I repeat again, apni nazare niche rakho, keep your eyes down, or you can say keep your eyes down. Okay, so now in this sentence I have said two pronunciation, one is eyes and one is eyes. Now this is my query to all of you, what you feel, which one is right, eyes or eyes? So kindly comment for this. Okay, I will wait for your comment. Okay, next point number 30, dakar mat lo, don't belch. Dakar mat lo, don't belch. Point number 31st, dakar mat lo, again the same sentence, don't burp. I repeat, don't burp. Okay, so the same sentence you can say in two different ways. Next point number 32, ise faar do, tear it up. Okay, ise faar do, tear it up. Point number 33, tum kya loge, what will you have. Again point number 33, same, tum kya loge, what will you take. Okay, so again sentences are same. Okay, so either you can say what will you have or what will you take. Okay, let me scroll down again. Continue with point number 34, sharmao mat, don't be shy. Sharmao mat, don't be shy. Mana mat karo, don't deny it. Mana mat karo, don't deny it. Point number 36, थोड़ी देर के लिए, for a while. Again point number 37, थोड़ी देर के लिए, for a bit. So if you see, both the sentences are same, but you can use in two different ways. Okay, again point number 38, ऐसा करो, do so. I repeat, ऐसा करो, do so. Now next point number 39, मुझे तुम्हारा प्रोजेक्ट दिखाओ, show me your project. Point 40, और कुछ, anything else. Point 41, बुरी आदत, bad habit. Point 42, जाकर पेपर्स ले आओ, go get papers. Point 43, सब्जी काट दो, chop vegetables. Point 44, बहस मत करो, don't argue. Point 45, कपड़े धो दो, wash the clothes. Point 46, झाड़ू लगाओ, please sweep. झाड़ू लगाओ, please sweep. Point 47, again the same sentence, झाड़ू लगाओ, do brooming. Okay, I repeat, do brooming. Brooming, please don't forget. Point 48, यहाँ ध्यान दो, focus here. Point 49, यहाँ ध्यान दो, pay attention here. And again, यहाँ ध्यान दो. Point 50, concentrate here. Alright.